TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Thursday morning. 30 minutes to go until that opening bell, and we got markets in positive territory to kick things off. S&P is positive by 7 points right now. You get the NASDAQ positive by 100, Dow positive by 3, Russell positive by 6. All of this coming on the heels of, and we'll jump right to it, weekly jobless claims coming in at 884,000 for first-time filings. The number the market was looking for was about 850,000, so a little bit more than they were expecting. The number I always like to take a look at, continuing claims actually increasing, not what you want to see. 13.385 million, an increase of 93,000 from a week ago. And as they put it, an indicator that the strong jobs improvement through the summer may be tailing off. We got to get rid of those jobs, those unemployment claims. We got to add jobs. We got to get rid of these unemployment claims, continuing claims, more than 13 million and actually going up from last week. But nonetheless, the market, they take that number at 8:30 and they trade higher. We're up almost 20 S&P points from where we were at 8:30 in the morning. When that number came out, we charged from about 33.91 up to almost 34.10 in the S&Ps. NASDAQ futures, taking a look at where we were 8:30 in the morning. We were already charging higher. The overnight lows, we were down there at about 11,260. We're almost 250 points above that price level in the NASDAQ futures. Commodity-wise, crude, negative 61 cents at 37.43. We get the gold contract right now positive by $10 at $19.65. Silver up 52 cents, $27.61 in silver. Notes and bonds, we're getting a little bit of lower price and higher yield. The 10-year negative by 3 ticks at 139.06. The 30-year negative 14 ticks at 175.09. We're looking at a 10-year yield just above 0.7%, and we got to jump over to the VIX this morning. The VIX currently trading with a 27 handle as the market continues to rise, 27.99. That's the lowest we've seen since last Thursday, which is when the market first started to fall apart a bit. All right, checking in with some of the stocks with earnings last night. Restoration Hardware crushing it out of the park. We're trading up $65 right now. You're talking about 20% to the upside from $320 to $385. Remarkable action. GameStop, a little bit of a different story, trading down about 10% from $735 to $670 on their earnings last night. All right, folks, should be an interesting day in the markets. Volatility in spades in both ways recently. We'll find out which way we go on the opening bell. Stay tuned. We're going to man Larry Pesavento. He's coming up live next with Trade What You See. Stay tuned, folks. We'll be right back.
If you haven't checked out the newsletters page of TFNN.com, what are you waiting for? All of the TFNN newsletters are informative, up-to-date, affordable, and a must-have for every trader looking to gain a competitive informational edge in today's markets. TFNN newsletters cover every aspect of the markets to offer you the very latest in market news. Plus, new subscribers get to test drive our newsletters risk-free for 30 days. From all aspects of the markets, including stocks, bonds, metals, commodities, and tech, there's a newsletter to fit your needs exclusively from TFNN. Stay informed each day you trade and get that competitive edge that will help you stay ahead of the game. Visit our newsletters page by going to TFNN.com and click the newsletters button near the top of the page. TFNN.com, educating investors.